Well, hello good people. This is the next tutorial. We are going to talk about a thing called switch case. Because last time we talked about some special operators and arithmetic operators and stuff, but we already covered the if-else statement, and even though switch case is more of a special if statement, I feel like we should cover it, because after all we shouldn't let important stuff uncovered. Let's dive right into it. Switch case. Okay, now imagine that you have an if statement. Let's say the user inputs his age, alrighty? And let's assume the age would be 18 now. Okay, so if you were to type out different things like ask the user for his age, and then depending on his age you would echo out a statement. Like if it's 0 to 5, you would echo out, well, you're a kid. If it's 5 to 10, you're a big kid. If it is between 10 and 18, you're an adolescent. And if it's 18 or over, you're an adult, for example. Okay? Well, you could do that with if statements. You could nest them in another. Let's just try it. For example, if age, what do we say, between 0 and 5? Okay, let's just make 3 cases, between 0 and 10. So if age is bigger than 0 and smaller or equal 10, sorry, wrong one, smaller or equal 10, then echo you are a kid. Okay? Else if, look, that's the cool thing about Sublime Text with auto completion. Well, else if age is bigger than 10 and by the way, I have to put age again, I forgot that here, and age is smaller than 18, then we would like to print out you are a teenager. And lastly, wait, that's not pretty here. I don't like that. Always think about readability, folks. And this wasn't very, wow, that's better. And last thing, else. So else would mean when he is over 18, then echo out, you are an adult. Let's see whether that works. Refresh, you are an adult, because he's 18, okay? Let's throw in some test cases. Make the person 17, you're a teen, all right? And now lastly, 10, you are a kid. Perfect. So that is the regular if statement that we used last time as well. Now, there's a different way, of course. And the switch statement is similar to a series of if statements on the same expression, all right? So the switch statement for the same case here, let's comment that out, just so we can still see it, but we don't use it anymore. That's how you make a multiple line comment. And now let's do the same example in a switch case statement, all right? So switch, then you put the variable in the parentheses, in this case it is age, open brackets, open the curly brackets, and now the first case. So the first case is, in this case, that the variable equals to 0 or, wait, first case is age over 0 and age under equal 10. Okay, then 2 points, and then what you want to do if that happens. What do you want to do? Well, you want to echo out you are a kid. Let's just copy that in here. You're a kid. Break. Now what's this break thing? Well, the break thing tells the whole switch statement to stop. Because now we're going to put several, oh sorry man, shit, I didn't. Now you put several switch statements one under another, and obviously you will have to check each and every one of them if you will not put the break in here. So it's highly important that you put break, otherwise it will just echo out everything that you just put here. Alright? So case age is bigger than 0, under 10, you are a kid. Break. Okay? Next thing, next case was when we said age, what was it, over 10 and age under 18, then please echo out you're a teen and then stop. If that is true. So it doesn't mean stop absolutely, it means stop when a condition is true. If this condition doesn't fit, obviously it will not go into the specific case statement, thus it will not hit the break. Okay, so if this isn't true, it just goes on to the next case, on to the next case, and so on. And the last case is when age is over 18, and then please echo out you're an adult, and then break. Okay, so this is the same thing that we wrote up there, but just as in switch case. And you see it's 10 and you're still a kid. And now that you're 18, okay, see what happened here? It doesn't echo out anything. I know why that is, but I will check you what that could be. Why didn't it print out 18? Check the code. Maybe pause for a second and tell me. The age is 18. Why didn't I see you're an adult? Okay, I'll tell you. Because here I said if age is over 10 and age is under 18, you're a teenager. And here I said if age is over 18, you're an adult. So there's no case for 18. So I have to put bigger than or equal 18. And here we go, you're an adult. Okay? You aren't going to use switch case statement that often, but that would be a use case for it. And it's highly important that you know it, that you know how to use it, and that you know it exists. And what is absolutely crucial here is to put a break statement. Okay people, let's wrap it up here. That's it for today. I wish you a good day and I hope this was helpful. I see you in the next tutorial.